everyone, today we're going to draw a butterfly.
That's right, we are going to be drawing a monarch butterfly. Grab your pens and your papers. We're going to be colouring with our alcohol markers, but you use whatever you like.
Yeah.
You ready to do it?
Yeah.
High five, let's go. Okay, let's draw a monarch butterfly. It's going to be super cute too. Okay, we're going to start with our mouth, and we're going to draw right in the middle of the page. Right there. Nice little happy smile. Yeah, you can do that. And then what we're going to do is draw two eyes next to our mouth. Very good. We're drawing our face a little bit smaller than we usually do today. That's because we're going to draw some nice big wings. So we're going to do some highlights and color in our eyes. Make my eye a little bit bigger there. Maybe a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna draw the head, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna go under his mouth, a little bit flat under his mouth, and then back up like a big around there. Very good. Good job. And now we can go up to the top of his head and then back down. Perfect. Now let's draw his body, and he's got a long, thin body, but we're gonna curve it a little bit. So we're gonna go like this. Can you do that?
Now do we need to stop?
Yeah, we can stop there. Good. I like your reference point. Very clever. That is very good. And now we can start this side and go down and join that point, and also make the curve again. Yeah. Doesn't always have to be perfect. We're just trying our best and practicing. Good job. I like it. Now, shall we do his little antennas quickly? So it's going to be a curve out like that. So that's going to be the one on the right. And then draw the exact same line next to it. Good job. And then we'll just draw around a little bit at the end. And then let's do the same on the other side. That's on the left side. And we draw another line right next to it, and a little round bit at the top. That's his antennas. Right, and our favorite part, the nice big wings.
Yeah.
We're gonna draw two wings on each side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start over here. We're gonna go up and stop. Yeah, you can start on that side. Good job. And let's draw another one on the other side, up and stop. Good job. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come round, down, and in over here, about
here,
the middle of his body. Yeah, about there. But what we're going to do is we're going to come in, come out, and then in again. Nice big, kind of like a leaf shape, but with a little bit of curves. Carry on, carry on. Yeah. Good job. And can you do it the same on the other side? Go around, down, and in. It's really hard to try and get them the same, but we're practicing and having fun. All the way down and in. Good job. Now we're going to do a slightly smaller wing on the side. It's going to go down. I'll do that line first, just over here. Good. And can you do the same on the other side? Oops, I drew mine a little bit too outside, but that's okay. Good job. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come down. That's it. And come down this side. Yeah, and then we're going to go around and in. Very good. And around and in. And because we're going to draw a monarch butterfly, what color are they?
Black.
Yeah.
And orange.
Orange, black, orange, and some white spots too. So what we're going to do here, we're going to draw some spots. So let's draw some circles up at the top. And we're going to draw a few of them going down the sides of our wings. And we just try to get them the same size, going all the way down. And we're going to color around those a little later on. Good job. And let's draw some, stay on the edge of your wings. It's a good job. Okay, and then what we can do is we can draw some at the bottom here too, and try to stay close to the edge of his wings. That's it. Maybe you can draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start drawing the parts that are going to be orange. So we can draw a line that goes up. Just before it touches there, we can stop. Just before it touches the white spots. So like that. Good job. I like that line. On the other side too. Very good. And then what we can do is draw it and bring it back in. Go around at the end and bring it back in. Very good. Round at the end and bring it back in. And then we're going to draw a few more of these. Round and bring it back in. Round, bring it back in. Very good. And on the other side. Keep going. And we can draw as many as we can. And then what we can do is make them a little bit bigger. Very good. And we can do one more here. And one more there. Great job. And now we got a few more to do here. And so what we can do is draw a line that comes down on each side, near the bottom. Very good. And on the other side. And then we're gonna go up, in, around and in. Good job. And try to draw it around. So we're gonna go round and then back behind this swing there. Good job. Try to do one more over here. Start there, go around and in. Watch where I'm starting. Look what I'm starting here. I want to start from there and go there. Good job. Can you do that one? Up and in. Very good. You can draw a few more spots here for his white parts of his wings. I can draw some too. I'll draw one there, I'll draw one there, and here, and there. Now we have got all of the beautiful shape for, oh actually, you know one thing we can do? We can just add a few lines. Let's count 3 lines across his body. One more. Very good. Nice. Looking so good. What do you think?
Yeah.
Are you ready to color?
Yeah.
Great. We're going to fast forward through our coloring, so you can pause if you want to stop and see what colors we're using. But it's a monarch butterfly, so it's going to be orange, black and white. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay. Well done, Summer. You have done a wonderful monarch butterfly. I really like it, and you blended all your colors together. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Do you like mine?
Yeah.
Well done. High five. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. If you liked our beautiful little drawings, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.